Yamwachi BM Samuel Kwabado Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi no eso. Yada Apostle Dr. Anita Ekutegwase eni nkwanshen sema ode abre. De edu so ne Badwam kase. Samne ne to dwa mu bia obeti ne bambo mu odin ewo tema warehouse. Ewo free SHS anasa SHS nuane ho ayedin no ho nsam ye de bebremo. Ye be kona oral team metre operation recover all loot team no. One more free ase institutions ahodo bi a abandada no mu niam ankoyie no wo hwehwem eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 and YouTube Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com nsemi ni bebre so ewo ho bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bi entie se de nsem ni chiremu etie make say senior high school nuane ya abeto dwase ho aye dinti tema warehouse nuane ahodo bi guo no bambo mu odin wo ofise penifo afriase ekọ ho akọje aduane se de mampani aka no kase no etwaso.
The whole of last year now we've been advocating strongly say free SHS no cost no too much emma government enonte yentimi achieve the kind of quality I pena and the na ehumbe hia say yebema awofo ebebum na awofo atake the feeding component of the policy no esan say aban entimi enye nyina na awofo so de ya said say yenso yebebo aban aman na timi provide quality education ediama yemma enti se enne na se abane se eduane nti anka yema entimi enku school ewo mraka oso mku school na yen current president his excellency John Mahama amasa odane se yen hwe na yen solve at the short term no yebe solve her problem na emi say as a coalition ya dia de pa na sa ina yen na ye hwe say ebekon esan say education first of all right, it's a right.
It was so now operation recover all loot team if one ora mampani Mahama eneti yesebe ombeyen hwehwemode afa ban nyapade ahodo bia ebi binumo ebu afaso ketase no proye no ho ensewon afrase ya wonmo eye emu nhwehwemu se de aban wonmo nsase ahodo bi no obo awramu ahwe se bia abandada asofo bia fa kwa na asese netie kase no etwaso.
You can expect that our report, the oral report, which we'll be presenting to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, we will capture all of what has gone on here. And remember that this visitation we are carrying out is also a validation exercise. We don't want to be an armchair committee where anything that is brought to our attention, we just put it in a report and then we present a report which may not be credible. So what we are also doing today is validating all the reports that have come in. Remember, we received petitions from the Vegetable Producers Association. Some of the MVTI folks also reached out to us. And so we are here to ascertain, to make sure that our report is accurate and is the reality. There is no, if you like, dramatization, there is no exaggeration, or there is no fabrication. We want our report to be very, very credible so that when we present our report to the president knows that this is a credible report, it is thorough, it is comprehensive, it is unimpeachable, and so we can now move to the next stage of oral.
Dr. Kamasa Felix, Vice President of the Federation of Association of Ghanaian Exporters, ono so ni amani boni enkomotwetwe mu no ene wodi tu dwa se abanye atwa mu no ebetu wono mu free wono maso ya na ewo agricultural mechanized center honomo.
Currency, why can you move us without even having a place for us? So it's front and back, and then change of government. When we realized that the following day I was around, I realized the activity is here going on. They are removing the roofing, they are loading the items, and then I even came in, but they didn't give me a chance to talk to anybody because the people are at the gate. Then actually that's what happened. But we association, we are over 3,000 members. And this is what we do. Employ a lot of people, we export. And when we want to encourage export, they shouldn't be doing, we are not saying that we are not going to go, but get us a suitable place close to the airport, then we can be able to move and go and continue and do our business.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiano eso na President my Institution of Engineering and Technology Engineer Henry Boateng ede to NDC amanyoko no administration ye ni ye one more say yensu anom ne ade illegal miners no emre no aso sasade ni nyina no ormo hesiesie Adom TV kase etwaso.
As an institution of engineering and technology, we are part of a coalition against Galamsey. I'm saying no, dear, me say, but you because I can't say idea edi on my nunya. Call brow doing health infrastructure. Hono. Let's all see a nearma a day in the public call ya didn't must by. I still say Galamsey in Sudimu Akutin pa. Into Yadenya Mias is ordinary bar. And we saw no so you'll be at UTSM. Because so aka no na mrie animanim ya no untu anamon emfa Galamsey a ese yinsu ne kwaye ho. Yeah, okay, STEM program as science, technology, mathematics, and these vocational training programs now. I'm say okay, power. I'm so okay. I just say no need tool or the beku unemployment, any development of this country. Say I'm friend who move training or move school we are. I'm establishment say idea here papa. I'm say who here a number of engineers, technical and vocational students about out no almost na I say ye boa na itimi estate up because the public sector na itimi absorb omu nyina it say ye fa kwan foforo bi so abeboa asset up and na president guy say ye tuteni omu wie a you be find can be so be setting up individuals. If you more year you no so create job for the others. If you are papa watch say obetu you say better na chi bibia mu ne mo bia say institution no ya de boa na support no na nani so ade hunu so de boa mabu on person mo ye insano adwuma na mo man etumpon because every country can't be anywhere without technical and vocational engineering no amano betimi etumpom amon punto gina say technological advancements so based on the engineering years and vocational training here.
Kwashiman Anglican School ya na no deja to mo shefa ICT office staff common room ne won library no any classrooms ni bi no bepem sabre nkora no omo ahohehia mo e be ombetena suade ye won hawo odo ade se atuja.
I tried this and this is heading because you're buying. Nay, and you be betna until last week say you buy Wednesday no. Omokacha say you coffee, and yes, about Tuesday, and so almost see you coffee. So Omokacha say Friday the Mayamba, but Sunday PTA. So Omokacha say and then I buy, and they are buying. Almost some day call from one for class because I want the I say a year by about from 3 for any library where they are say cry and see this day. See, I didn't see work again.
Shall this yana say, because your school now she never been to Nancy. I feel like teachers so no more shed your mobile.
Ye ba no mama yako, ye koye meeting wo hono, ye ba na ne omakacha esi enko. Ya ba kosan be say 3 times ni. Boy
homodin say any impenifu a womo ewa ha be a teacher for any municipal director of education. Ebe twetwe nkomo nanso no yentimi enya omumu bia ene omo eni nkomo. Bedin Ede Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
Arahosam so ebeto yama menom ne adwadefo a water chiman market if he say eja eto mu make say na pata ahodo be wo hade eja no ehye won sika twitwi die ene na eja yi afa no kwa kase no eto aso yi
na ye face say ye face say abran pisa market sia ya ye to wadada no MCs ana mpanyifo eba ka say nya abotre na abotre na ye benya enam samuel mpanyifo ntino abotre no ba na ye aba abebu aboye na anda ye si entiase ye nka se amumbe ma ye bibi ana se ye si amumbira bana ase no se bibi bi na amudi be bre na ma jutre ni na ma ye na ya ye aduma se amuso betima boya na ma boya amutimi boya ya da ma se na ya yenye ya adwuma ana yɛntimi nda ɛntena ase hɔ na yɛhwɛ yɛ yerenom yɛhwɛ yɛ abusua yɛhwɛ yɛ mba yɛhwɛ yɛ kofia ɛnti one day kura me da fia mitimi nya adwuma ma abusua nyina bɛda kɔm ɛnti nda yɛ Monday sɛ kyena anapa anasɛ kosi anwumire yɛhu ga takyima mpanyimfo bibia ne mo bi amatu a nyankopɔ ɛyɛ adom kyena anapa yɛbɛbɔ bia bɛba bia wɔte dada ɔbɛbɔ na pata
Yamani Boni Ekoto NDC Zongo Caucus coordinator ewo edwom honom a wono nso ade ato adwadifo ni nyina animu se
awradi enhye nyina den de atwure no awradi emma emmehye honom emmaye na obi biara saa yiwe atorankyeme eka ni nyina yemani bie wanya abutre na woma mra no enya adwuma yenim se hana munsa free economy yentimi nkasa yeji africa nsem na nhihye papa bia ewo hono bia menim se assembly ni enomu ebetina asi ahihye
Yamani Boni to aso eni dwadini baako a wonu de eje eto odwom hono mo no anka no ne nso akronfo mum ena akwa akowia no no etwetwe nkomo
Bipacho mi na mo hanina munye na ahye bipacho mi shi bi enie jana kamede ba akronfo awura ho asese mi ne manyina me dia no nti aban yesere no omra meboa ye wa
akronfo na aba besisa no ma
no dia akronfo na besisa bida mu ne menyi
etwo so dia na wo jahyehyie mu ensam ya yekohwe tachimandie ya wo fiase ekeka ne ma bomu ye mampani John Dramani Mahama so ede ato edwa se ya na enwanwa se eja no so ebehye bia nso agesa na dwo ne ade no emu owramuti omo behwe na dumja dwumakuo no ne sanadwo bi a wo mu gyegyina honom a bebo honom eho ban kantamanto na obo epini ho na woni wo mu mpanifo di nkomo ogya to mu na no dei eno de nsemi etudwa.
And so I've asked the security to arrange with the various security services to tighten security around major markets. In addition to that, we are asking the National Fire Service in the night, because these fires take place in the night, and that's what gives us room for suspicion that there are people who are deliberately doing this. In the daytime, you don't hear that there's a fire anywhere. How the fire can decide that it's only in the night that it ignites and burns, I mean, it's beyond anybody's imagination. And so the second is we are asking the fire service where there are major markets to deploy their fire tenders close to the markets in the night, so that in the event of a fire outbreak, they are right there on the scene to be able to quench it before it causes any damage happening. So these are some of the immediate steps we think we should take in terms of prevention.
Wasan edi tudwa se enya de na ban no ebehwe se obi eja no eto wo japade mu ehye ne dwerebe no safo no wo mo ebefiri ho.
Government is determined that nobody should be displaced because of this fire, and so everybody should be able to get back what place he had in the market. But of course, we must design it better and make sure that we build it in a better way.
Here no Adom TV, Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay ye de sia seda no enkoma wo mre no adaje a wo de maye. Rade fa nkomra som James se wo frifie dia. Na wo nkoso na ne yentena wo YouTube Adom TV tube. Ye dem live ho na Facebook/Adom TV extra ye kwaba be 2 minutes ye nche. Ye twaso de wo nkrata na ne online de abro ye kwaba.